Today I'm going to teach you how to spit splice so you can join your wool together when you're making a blanket. Not spit, not splice, but spit splice. It's a tongue twister.
Audio Jungle.
This is what I love about the wool that I have on my blog, is it's a donut. So you're not winding up a skein and trying to make a ball. It's this beautiful ball of wool that you just pull from the center. It's awesome to work with. So let's imagine you're knitting along on your project and you have to join your yarn. You're finishing one end and you need to join another. And normally when you're knitting, you would knit your piece together and then you have to weave these through. And that is a big pain in the butt. The pieces come out and you have little knots all through your project and it makes me very angry. So we're going to do this method called spit splice. So you basically take your yarn and you splice it a little bit. So you just take off a little bit. Usually I stick my tongue out for this part. I've actually cheated and not even taken off extra yarn to do this project. I just go with what's there, but just to keep it technical, it's good to know the rules and then break them. Here's your two pieces. So you're going to put them together like so. This is the part that I think is gross, but it actually works. It's spit. Gross, right? It's disgusting. You probably will have fur in your mouth like I do right now. I'm not gonna talk about that. You just roll and your yarn is joined. There is nothing there's no knots, there's no weaving, there's no nothing, and then you just continue knitting. So there you go. This is where you sing and dance and do the happy dance. Solved. Hope you enjoyed this little lesson. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope you love knitting with this wool as much as I do, and I hope these tutorials are really helpful. Happy knitting, and I'll see you on the blog. I got makeup on the sofa. Wrecked my nail. I have fur on my nail. This is what happens when you're a knitter. But the good news is, I'm not hot flashing, so being ancient, I can't even say the word ancient. I don't feel that ancient, but